Hey up, I'm Nott'm Lass, and today we are back out in the Peak District doing a circular walk. Oh my gosh, this sounds amazing. It's the Chatsworth Aqueduct circular walk, 7.2 kilometres, so we're thinking about what, 5 miles perhaps, and it's going to be fantastic. It takes 2 hours and 5 minutes to complete. We've just parked over there, so the parking is quite limited. There's only a few spots, so probably get here early. And we're out here again in the wonderful Peak District. You can't go wrong with a walk around here. Let's go. So if you want to go and check this route out that we're doing today, it's in the description box below on AllTrails, so go and check it out, you'll love it. So yeah, so far the scenery is fantastic around here. I mean, it's just, yeah, look at it, it's beautiful. And also, we're going to go and see an aqueduct today, and wouldn't you believe it, guess who's forgot the drone? Me. So yeah, you have to make do with no drone footage today, unfortunately. But if it is a good place, drone worthy, I will be coming back. Don't you worry. So over to my right is Beeley Moor, and I've actually got some drone footage of this like amazing view, which I'll just insert now and have a look. What do you guys think? I mean, that view is just fantastic. Now entering Stand Wood, not been here before, so very, very excited to explore a lovely wood. Let's go. So just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's subscribed to the channel so far. We're nearly at a whopping 4,000 subscribers, which is just mind-blowing. Also, a massive shout out to Addy, who has been a member of the channel for 11 months now, which is just, thank you so much. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. I'm over the moon, thank you. So just turn left on the path, and we've just been greeted by this extraordinary view, and this pond thing, where does that come from? Literally, like, wow. Wow. I was not expecting to see this waterfall on this walk today, and with the views overlooking Chatsworth House, what more do you want from a walk? It's just one of my favourite walks so far. Absolutely, it ticks all the boxes. Fantastic. Well, these are quite steep steps. But it's so nice around here. It's such a nice walk. Ooh. Right behind me is the aqueduct. As you can tell, it's a bit broken down. There's a bit of a scaffolding there, but actually I really love the brickwork. A very interesting place. So there are a few pictures online where the water of the waterfall comes over the aqueduct, like a massive waterfall. Obviously it's summer right now, so it's pretty dry, but that would be a great sight to see. So Chatsworth is just literally down there, and I've not explored Chatsworth yet, and it's on there on the list, don't worry. So I will go and explore there one day. If anyone's been, what do you guys think to it? Can't wait to explore it. But yeah, we're gonna go back up this road now and carry on our nice circular walk. So yeah, let's go. So as you can tell from the circular route, we do walk on the same path going back up. But it's fine because the views are amazing, and well, I'm out of breath now, but it's nice to be out. So yeah, we're just walking back to the car, and the sun has just come out, and I kind of regret wearing this this jumper today. It's absolutely scorching, but yeah, back with these amazing views. Let's get into the car. So that's been the end of our circular walk. It's been a really popular one actually. It's surprising how many people you walk past. But yeah, the views are outstanding. Waterfall was great, aqueduct, a bit broken down, but still a great thing to look at. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share, make sure to go and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
It's been you all along, but I've been too caught up to see it, baby. We can have it all if I just could get myself together. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget it. I'm done playing the waiting game. I'm so done. I'm all done playing the waiting game. Baby, like the stars, I've been a million miles away, but you've been in my heart, somewhere down all this time, hidden away. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take without your love. Don't wanna miss one fight. So listen, girl, I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take